this is Aaron Lewis, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to hand tame a cockatiel. So what you'll need for this is just some garden gloves. You can get these from your local gardening store. Now if you aren't afraid of them biting you, just don't worry about them, but their bites do make you bleed and they do hurt. And you don't want to scare the bird by jolting your hand away too fast. You'll also need just some sunflower seeds to reward him for being a good bird when he hops up on your finger. So here's what you got to do. You just got to hold out your finger like this. Oh, and by the way, it is good to have a training perch, as you can see here. I'll quickly show you. Just a quick training perch like this. So you don't want to train him on his cage because that is his safe zone. That's where he feels safe. And if you go over there and try and hand tame him, he's just going to end up being afraid of you. So you want to bring him into a room and put him on his training perch. And these do cost around 125 bucks, so they aren't cheap. So what you want to do is just hold out your finger like this and say up, 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 and then put him back down. And then you just want to reward him being a good bird. I normally repeat this 3 times a day, and I do this around 10 times each time I do it. I'll show you one more time. Up, 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 and back to your perch. I will be doing this until he is completely hand tamed, and I will be compiling it all into one video. Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick progress report on my cockatiel here. As you can see, I no longer need the gloves because over the past 4 days I have got him used to my hand by slowly taking the gloves off and leaving one glove on. I'll quickly show you what I did. So I just put one glove on, wrong side. I just put one glove on and I told him to hop up, up, up. Okay, come on, up, and I brought him over here, up, up, and then I put him back down. And that's all I did. So you still got to remember to give him his sunflower seed, because that is a reward for him. Normally he'll eat it, but he's not. So now he'll just happily, up, hop on my hand. He doesn't bite. He makes a little noise like he's going to, but he doesn't actually. So I have made a lot of progression with my cockatiel. And I hope this has helped you at home with your cockatiel. If it has, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below letting me know how it went, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, go check out my other social media accounts, which will be down in the description box below. Thanks everyone, have a good day.